Now in this part, we are gonna create this single project page. So right now it's displaying the default single post page here, but instead displaying the single post page layout or styles, we would like to make it projects or case study layout. To do so, we have to navigate to our editor. Right now I'm inside the editor already, and click over here. You can see we have created the project archive here. This one, it looks like this. Now click on add new template and click single item project, all project. And as you can see, there are a couple of different layouts that you can use. So those are pre-made templates or pre-made layouts created by 2025 theme. Let's skip, I do not want to use any of them from there. And now type here header. So first of all, I'd like to add the header inside my template, and after that add footer, and then CTA, and also at the top I'd like to start making or adding page header. So I'm using the keyboard shortcut to speed up the process, and I hope you already know how the keyboard shortcut works, because I have shared a couple of times in this video. And if you haven't watched the basic video, then you can please watch the basic video first to understand how things work here. Now for this layout, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna apply the featured image on the left side and content on the right side. To do so, let's make the full width first and add the left column width 40%. And on the right column it should be 60%, and add featured image here. Add content, and at the same time we can display another part like live URL or something like that, but it will be another complex part, but instead using the manual dynamic way, we can use the manual features. Let me show you how it works. So select the group here, add some padding, we can add another group here and display next, and type here next project, add arrow mark, and type here previous project. Make them row, space between, add some space at the top, save. And now if I reload this single projects page, it looks like this. So here you can see it's selected the archive type name, and that's why it's not displaying the title. We have to select the title here and change the color to white color. Save changes. And now if I reload here, so here you can see this is our single project overview, and when I click on previous, it will navigate to the previous project. The previous project has different layouts, and we can make it far left edge of this container area and make this on the right. Let's make it. No, I do not want to make it like from here. Just keep this wide width, it will look better. So if you want, now you can add a button here. Let's say open this project inside the editor, and you can also add a title or here like date. Let's add a date here and change the color, add 17 pixel, and before the date you can type here project started on. Change the color to white color, make it row, and reduce the block spacing to, let's make it 5 pixel. Save changes. And now you can see the title and it's displaying the project started on February. You can make it bold and other styles. From here, you can now add a button. Like inside the button, you can add the project URL, view live project, and you can add a permalink or URL here easily, and it will be displaying. Now click save and now reload. So as you can see, this is the view live projects. You can use or you can add the live project URL here. When visitor visit your websites and they click over here, it will take them to the live URL of the project that you have worked on. And the featured image, let's make it border radius a little bit so that it looks much better. Save and reload this page. So this is how it looks like. And if you want, you can add a sidebar and you can add additional information. So it all depends on your client requirements and the styles that you're referring or you're following. But right now we do not have any styles or any client requirements, but I just wanted to show you a brief information how it works and where you have to navigate. But I hope it will be helpful for you in the future. Thank you so much.